So if you're someone that's using your smartphone a lot or you spend many hours in front of a screen like most of us, you're harming your eyes without knowing, and using blue light filters is something that you should definitely check it out. Let's start. Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Yakuras Moments, and today before we start I want to give a big thanks to Ocushield for reaching out to me and sending me those blue light screen protectors and anti-blue light glasses so we can review them together. I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with some kind of screen protectors, as we all had a friend that smashed his iPhone and we decided to put the screen protector on our phone. But I think this is the next level of protection, and it's not only about the screen of your device but your own eyes, protecting your eyes from the harmful blue light that all screens produce. And this blue light can cause fatigue or discomfort in your eyes, as well as dimmed vision. And that's why I'm so excited about those filters, as they're solving a big problem and I didn't know about them until now. If you ever catch yourself rubbing your eyes or squeezing them after a long session in front of a screen, then it's definitely a symptom of blue light, as a long exposure will make your eyes tired and dry and even cause eye strain that could lead to headaches. And especially at night, it could affect your sleep, as blue light signals your brain to stay awake. So as you see, I have three different products: the anti-blue light screen protector for the iPhone 12, the anti-blue light screen protector for the monitor, and here I have the blue light blocking glasses, and I'm very curious to see how they look on me. Of course, it's not about the look, but to protect your eyes from the harmful blue light. I just haven't worn glasses before, and it's nice that they have three different styles and colors to choose. Me here, I have the Parker at Shining Black, and all of them are unisex.
Really?
Yep. Okay, let's open it. In the box you'll find the case for the glasses, and inside are the glasses and a cleaning cloth. I thought that they're gonna be shiny black as it says here on the box, but they're clear white like the picture here with that frame.
That's because everything happens for a reason.
The glasses are made of plastic, they look nice and stylish, and they're ideal if you use multiple screens like TVs, smartphones, and many monitors. For example, a home studio or at a work environment where you're not able to install blue light screen protectors to all the devices, glasses will cover you across all screens that emit blue light and protect your eyes. Okay, can I try them as well?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And this is how they look on a guy. The glasses are very lightweight, you forget that you're wearing them, and they're providing you with crystal clear picture with 95% plus clarity, as Ocushield promising. Of course, a light yellow tint is visible as you can see, and a small reflection is going on here, but I think it's normal for glasses. Except the blue light, the glasses are blocking UV light, they have added anti-fog, which is great if you wear the mask, and anti-smudge. And don't forget that we're talking about medical devices here registered with the FDA and MHRA. I will include a link in the description below so you can choose your glasses or the following anti-blue light screen protectors for your smartphone or your monitor that we're gonna see next. And feel free to use the discount code MOMENTS15 for 15% off on your order. Alright, and the next item that we will see is the anti-blue light screen protector for the iPhone.
Oh, is that for me as well?
Yeah, sure, but I don't have iPhone.
Oh, here you are.
Yeah, I'll install it, definitely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Those are the perfect gift for someone who uses the phone a lot and you show them that you care about them. In the box you'll find the anti-blue light screen protector that comes with the applicator for easy installation, a cleaning wipe, the cleaning cloth, the dust removers, and the instructions. Before doing anything, I would recommend to wash your hands to remove any dirt and natural oil that we have on our hands. Especially if you're having pets, you will need to get rid of the hair after petting those fluffs. Then we will start with the wet wipe to clean good our phone, remove any dirt or dust that sits on the screen, and after use the cleaning cloth to dry off the screen. Then you can use the dust remover sticker to pick up any dust that left. And now take the applicator and peel off the protective sticker that's on the screen protector and apply it to your phone. If you order the wrong model, it won't fit to your phone as you see right now. Oops, make sure when you order to choose the correct model, because otherwise it will not fit in the case and you won't be able to install it. Once I got the correct phone, it fitted perfectly to the applicator. You just need to press the filter a bit and peel back the sticker as it shows on it to remove the applicator frame. Now with a clean cloth, press the screen protector to remove any air or bubbles, and it's ready. The filter looks very cool in the daytime with a nice blue reflection when the phone is turned off, and it can be used like a mirror. It doesn't feel that it has any impact in the touchscreen, which is great, and again a light yellow tint is visible as you can see comparing it with a phone without the anti-blue light protector. Of course it's 10 times preferable comparing with the orange color if you use night mode on your phone, which also illuminating blue light, but it's all orange, destroying every experience. Last in my case, because I delayed with the installation as I had to find another phone, I see very small bumps that must be dust that landed on the filter. It's nothing serious, but good examples here for you to understand how important it is to clean your phone and remove the dust effectively. And finally, something for myself. We will check the anti-blue light screen protectors for my monitor. The good thing about those is that they promise true colors, that means it won't affect your screen display colors, and that's awesome when you have to do with color editing, as comparing with night mode setup on Windows that make everything orange like on the phone, and it's bad. Also, those have privacy filter, that means if someone curious is looking from the side, he won't see a thing. Perfect to use Facebook at work or anything else, depending on your mood. So in the box you will find the anti-blue light screen protector, the cleaning cloth, the dust removers, the holding stickers and the double-sided tape. It's nice that they give you two different options to install the protection screen. First, by using the holding stickers that you can make this like a removable solution, or the more permanent solution where you will use the double-sided tape and stick the filter straight on the screen. Here I will apply the second option, but first we will need to clean very good our screen from the dust with a clean cloth and remove any dust with the dust remover. Alright guys, so the past me made a huge mistake by sticking the double-sided stickers straight on the monitor, and after applying the filter, when you have to do the opposite, stick the double-sided stickers on the filter and after stick it all together to your monitor. So I put it a bit wrongly. It wasn't bad, it's not terrible, but still you can see my fingerprints on the stickers because I was touching them itself, and also I put a bit on the side, so at the end it's incorrect. So let's do it correctly again. We will need 6 of those stickers, and it's nice that they have spare for any future use or if you're trying to correct your mistakes. The sad thing is that I destroyed one, so I'll try to work with 5 of them. But you, of course, if you haven't destroyed any of them, apply 6 of them, as you can see in the instructions. We have to stick the double-sided stickers to our filter first, and you have to do it with the help of those blue papers so you won't touch the sticker itself. So peel off the screen protective film and apply the double-sided stickers on the filter. When you're done, mount carefully the side with the stickers on your screen, and here I'm having my screen on as there is no actually visible edges. And then you can press it a bit with a cleaning cloth to stick the protector good. After, peel off the protective film from the screen protector and it's ready. This time, even though the double-sided stickers are still visible, it doesn't affect as they're on the sides. At least we put it correctly and in the center. Those of you who work with Photoshop or color editing professionally, keep in mind that the filter will affect the color and the image, making everything slightly darker, as you can see. At least it's not becoming ugly yellow. For the rest of us normal PC users or even gamers, I don't think it will matter a lot comparing to the benefits and the eye protection that you get. The most important is that I can stay for hours on my PC or my phone without worrying about my eyes. And I definitely felt the difference for those couple weeks that I'm using it. And again, use the discount code MOMENTS15 for 15% off on your order, or if you go right now, they have 20% off for the Easter holidays. So you can take advantage of that. Of course, I will include a link in the description below where you can go and check it out. So protect your eyes and the eyes of people you love with Ocushield. If you enjoyed today's video and the product review, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about anti-blue light filters and screen protectors in the comments section below. I wish you a great rest of the day, and until next time guys, let's make moments we can never forget.